there, Taylor here from Surplusmechanical.ca. Today we'll be providing you with a quick tutorial on how to set up an account. Begin by opening up the homepage of Surplusmechanical.ca. Proceed to click Create an Account located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Proceed to fill in your information, first name, last name, and your email address. Please note, only your first name will be displayed in any correspondence between buyers and sellers. Your last name and email address remain completely confidential. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date on new featured products, auctions, promotions, and more. Now proceed to giving your marketplace a shop URL. This will also become your default marketplace shop name. Once your account is approved, you will, however, be able to customize your entire public profile, including the shop title. Next, you will need to provide a little proof that you are involved in the mechanical construction industry. Tell us, are you a contractor, distributor, manufacturer, wholesaler? A quick description is all we require. Next, provide the name of your business, the number of years you've been in the industry, and the phone number where you can be reached. Remember, all information remains confidential except your first name and shop URL. Lastly, create a strong password. Of course, if you ever forget it, you can request a password reset. Now click Create an Account. Your account has now been sent to admin for approval. We strive to approve accounts within 4 to 8 hours. If account approval is urgent, feel free to give us a shout. Once approved, proceed to setting up your Stripe account and your smart shipping credentials. It's that easy. Now get out there and turn that surplus into cash in the bank. Bye for now, guys.